Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews. Today, we're diving into the raw power and aggressive styling of the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1, a true American muscle icon reimagined for the future. Let's start with the design. The 2026 ZL1 carries a sharper, more aerodynamic look while staying true to its muscle car roots. A bold front grille, sculpted hood vents, and LED light signatures add a futuristic vibe without losing the Camaro's legacy charm. Under the hood, the ZL1 roars with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that now pushes out 680 horsepower and 665 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission or an optional 6-speed manual, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Chevrolet has refined the magnetic ride control for even sharper handling, allowing the ZL1 to dominate both track and street with precision. The new suspension setup and wider performance tires offer improved grip and cornering stability. Inside, the cabin gets a tech-heavy upgrade. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display, heads-up display, and a 13.4-inch infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay bring the ZL1 into the connected age. Recaro performance seats and carbon fiber trim complete the performance interior. Chevy also added more advanced safety features this year, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a new performance data recorder that tracks your lap times, throttle response, and more. For 2026, Chevrolet also introduces a track performance package with upgraded brakes, lightweight forged wheels, and an even more aggressive rear spoiler. It's a package made for enthusiasts who live for high-speed cornering. What truly makes the 2026 Camaro ZL1 special is that it represents one of the last pure V8 muscle cars in a world rapidly transitioning to EV. It's loud, fast, unapologetic, and that's exactly how we like it. If you're looking for the raw spirit of American performance wrapped in modern tech and racing pedigree, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 might be your last chance to own an icon. Thanks for watching Autoverse Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the hottest cars of the future. Until next time, keep driving with passion.